Welcome back, guys, to another video tutorial of a challenge of free code cap section React code will create a React component. So in this video we're going to be learning how to actually make a React component, right? So it says that the other way to define a React component is with the ES6 class syntax. In the following example, kitten extends React.component. Alright, yep, it's set it here. Cool. And then it says that this creates an ES6 class kitten which extends the React.component class. So the kitten class now has access to many useful React features, such as local states and lifecycle hooks. Don't worry if you aren't familiar with these terms yet, they'll be covered in greater detail in the later challenges. Also notice the kitten class has a constructor, which is this one over here. Alright, and within it that called super. It uses super to call the constructor of the parent class. So this is calling the constructor of React component. Alright. So see, it says it as well. Cool. So the constructor is a special method used to define used during the initialization of objects. They are created with a class keyword. Alright, cool. It is best practice to call a component's constructor with super and pass props to both. This makes sure that the component is initialized properly. For now, know that it is standard for this code to be included. Soon you will see other uses of the constructor as well as props. Cool. So it says the task is to do like the my component is defined in the code editor, which is here, and it uses the class syntax. Alright, finish writing a render method. Finish writing the render method, which is here. Alright, this is the render method. So it returns a div element that contains an h1 with the text hello react. Alright, cool. So let's do this. So because it says that it returns a div element that contains h1 with the text hello react. So first of all, in this method we're gonna return that. So I would write the keyword return and then end it with a semicolon, and then what we need to return h1 with the text hello react. Alright, so that would be like h1 development and development and hello react. Alright, there we go, done. Alright, so all I've done is implemented this render method to return a h1 element, which is the h1 element followed by the div tag. I mean the return keyword. Alright guys, I really hope you understood it, and I have made a mistake somewhere. This is not supposed to end in this way. So wait, what did I do? The React component should return a div element. So where did I go wrong? It says that should return a div element. The return div should render an h1 header within it. Alright, so I needed to add a div element and embed the h1 within that div element. Alright, this is how. Alright, let's see. Yes, we have passed the test. You rock. Yes, finally we rock. Alright guys, I really hope you understood the concept of returning elements, and also the what do you call it, the how to return a React element as well, and the concept of constructor and using a super constructor, etc, etc. If you guys have got any questions, leave me a comment below and I'll make sure I'll get back to you. Until then, have fun practicing the new concept and I'll see you in the next video.